Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Ford Transit full guide. Park the donor vehicle close, switch off accessories, engage both parking brakes, and locate battery and jump points. Connect the positive clamp to the transit positive terminal and donor positive, then attach donor negative and a chassis ground on the transit. Start the donor, then the transit. If it still fails after 2 attempts, seek professional help. Stay safe. Before you start, review the safety checklist to prevent injury or damage. Wear gloves and eye protection, remove jewelry, and keep sparks away from batteries. Confirm voltage and battery condition, check for corrosion, and ensure proper cable gauge for your transit. If the battery is swollen, leaking, or severely corroded, do not attempt to jumpstart and call roadside assistance. Keep bystanders at a safe distance and prepare your tools. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a clear book about building savings and investing sensibly. It pairs nicely with practical car ownership advice because money freedom helps you afford reliable repairs without stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by identifying positive and negative terminals and locating a solid chassis ground point on the transit. Attach red clamp to transit positive, red clamp to donor battery positive, black clamp to donor negative, and the final clamp to chassis ground. Start the donor vehicle, wait a few minutes, then start your transit. Remove clamps in reverse order while vehicles are off or idling. If it still fails, call for professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.